Okay. It clearly says, watch out for the alligators. My husband. You gotta love him, right? You gotta love him. Happy 4th of July! Woo-hoo! Oh my gosh.
We're here at Tucker Ranch and we're about to start our 5K.
Woo! It's a virtual 5K. I'm not so sure about these things, but we're trying to make it as fun as we can. So we are off for the Firecracker 5K.
All right, wish us luck.
Oh, woo! Oh, this is fun! Ah! Yeah, let's go, Taylor. Do a jump or something. What? That's not allowed. That is not allowed, Shelfer. Isn't this place beautiful? And we have it to ourselves. There's not a single person here. Jason, getting some jogging in.
Woo! Life always seems to be giving me signs.
Where do you think the trail is?
Life is telling me to go this way.
Ah! Firecracker, firecracker, boom, boom, boom. I'm gonna get smoked out. We have just finished mile 1. Woo! Let's hope we don't burn the barn down. All right, we're rolling. FYI, these are only smoke bombs. Question, are you gonna light it and then jump over it? Okay, okay.
The wind is definitely blowing.
Oh, did they light?
No,
Oh.
because the wind's going to blow it away from us.
Oh! Oh my gosh. Oh, oh! Can we see the smoke? We can't see this. Oh, there they go! Ah! Okay, so mile 1 is, oh. What a dud. That was such a dud. Ah! Okay, okay, we got another one going. Let's wait until we see the smoke. We gotta see smoke. Oh, oh, gosh, they don't make them like they used to, do they? Oh, wait, do we see smoke? Do we see smoke? Oh, it's purple. It's purple. Okay, mile 1. Oh, I can't, can you breathe? This isn't working, and I'm no longer having fun. Let's keep going. Mile 2, here we come. And Jason is walking over to the park ranger, which is at the barn where we lit the smoke bombs. So I'm gonna go help him. He needs my help. He needs my talking abilities. Okay, bye. Are we in trouble?
No, false evidence appearing real.
Oh, fear. You just felt fear. Oh, okay. Thank goodness. I was really nervous. Ah. Oh, and look. There's some people there we can blame it on.
No, never shift blame.
I
love you.
I love you. See? Aren't you proud of me? I made a big leap today.
That's right.
I stepped through my fear of getting in trouble. Woo!
Run to it to get through it.
All right, let's go light some more smoke bombs.
Very much so. Like your shirt. Puppy dog.
Happy 4th of July! Woo! Stars and stripes!
We made mile 2. It's hot. It's treacherous.
The terrain is crazy and my nerves are shot! Just like a firecracker. We did it! Woohoo!
Woo.
And we even have medals. It's not the typical way to spend our 4th of July. I wish that we were barbecuing with friends But this is the second best thing, right? A virtual 5K.
A virtual 5K, and we did it.
With smoke bombs to boot. Woo! Thanks for joining us.
Enjoy your
Happy 4th of July!